Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In previous video, we had a quick introduction to this series. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to watch that first. This series is a beginner friendly, no fluff and straight to the point. It's all about helping you get started with the Python the right way. Fast, simple and practical. In this video, we are going to start things off by setting up our development environment and verifying our installation. Let's get into it. Alright, before we start writing any Python code, we need to set up our development environment. There are two main things we'll need. Python language interpreter, which allows us to write and run Python code, and VS Code. VS Code is the popular code editors, which is lightweight, fast, and packed with features that makes coding much easier. Once we have both installed, we'll also look into the bonus section where I'll show a few VS Code extensions that will make our Python development experience smoother. So let's get started first by installing Python and then we'll move on to VS Code. Alright, let's now head over to the browser and search for Python installer. So the first link here is of the official Python website. Here we can get the Python installer. So I already have the Python installation manager here. So I'm going to skip this part. Once download is complete, you should double click on this installer. So once it prompts for installation, click on install Python. Press Y and then enter. So this is one of the important steps. Here it asks whether we have to add Python for the environment. So type Y and then enter. Here as well, it asks whether we have to install the latest version of the Python. So type Y and then enter. As you can see here, it is installing the latest version of the Python. Once the installation is completed, you can see something like that. So if you want to go over the internet and check for the docs, you type yes. So I'm going to skip this. So I'm going to type N and then enter. So once the installation is done, the command prompt closes by itself. So to verify the installation, open the command prompt and type Python. This should open something like this, Python 3. Here you can see it prints hello world. Hence we can say our installation is successful. To install VS Code, we'll go to the browser again and download VS Code. So this is the official website of VS Code. So currently my operating system is Windows, so I'll download the Windows installer. Once the download is complete, I'm going to open this installer. So click on accept, then next. This is one of the important part of installation. I am going to check both of these options. I'll show it. I'm going to click on finish. This should open something like this. As you can see, whenever you go into any folder and right click, you will be able to see this open with code option. This is the reason why we checked those two options while installing. Now let's create a folder and try to open VS Code in that folder. So I've already created a folder called learn. Now I'm going to open my VS Code within this folder. So to do that, I'm going to right click here and open with code. As a bonus, I'm going to recommend few extensions. When you type Python and click enter, you'll be able to see these 4 extensions. All are of Microsoft. So these extensions help us to easily run and debug our Python code. Along with this, I'd also recommend material icons. So basically this material icon theme, it gives the better file icons. As you can see, all these icons are managed by material icons. To verify our installation, let's create our first Python program and try to run it. So I'm going to implement simple hello world program. This just basically prints hello world into the console. So to run this, we can either click on run Python file here, or we can type Python filename.py. Both of the methods give the same output. So since we are getting output successfully, our installation is successful. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Now that we have got Python and our editor all set up, we are ready to dive into fun stuff. Starting from the next video, we'll jump right into writing code and exploring the exciting part of this series. See you there.